Investors know that ideas are a dime a dozen, but execution is what really matters.
We all have those friends that are going to rev you up, add drama, add fuel to the fire. You don't want to talk to those people.
What's a surefire way to tick people off in Hollywood? Air out your dirty laundry on social media.
We decided that we were going to make a major effort, leave no stone unturned in trying to extract all of the value of the employee ownership and show the people how their piece of the pie could grow.
And I wish they would have the courage to simply bite the bullet and tell us the truth.
I want to see you be the CEO who refuses to cut corners and use pesticides and increase profits.
Obviously, the Supreme Court is different and unique because it's not something that comes up every year. It only comes up every once in a blue moon.
Find that one, and that'll be the biggest idea.
You guys talking about something?
You know, sometimes you just play games to, blow off some steam, and this is best demonstrated by this Japanese table flipping game.
Here's my response to that last part again, and I sound like a broken record, I apologize, but
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Is it possible to repeat that last point?
We are all in the same boat. We have to help each other.
The chief flight attendant saw that things were getting out of hand and decided to take control of the situation.
Forcing Facebook, in effect, to face the music of all of the harm done when those groups were allowed to advertise.
I might sound a little under the weather, and that's because I am. If I have to, I'm just going to turn it over to these guys here at some point if I need to sneeze.
For this third book, I had to make up recipes for pretty much every single recipe, just start from scratch.
We're married. I am literally on top of the world.
Gonna have some dinner, then hit the sack early and big day tomorrow.
Anyway, I went to college, and I hadn't turned 18 yet. I was just 17, just brand new and wet behind the ears.
Every year they raise the bar for me to be a better person and a better teacher. So for me to say, hey, I'm the teacher of the year,